In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Smartsheet password. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply want to update it for security reasons, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few moments. We'll walk through each step together to ensure you can regain access to your Smartsheet account without any hiccups. First, let's head over to the Smartsheet login page. You can reach this page by opening your web browser and typing in https://app.smartsheet.com. Once the page loads, you'll notice the usual fields prompting you to enter your email and password. Since we're focusing on resetting the password, direct your attention to the option labeled Forgot Password, which you'll find right under the password field. Clicking on this link will initiate the password recovery process. Next, you'll be taken to the password reset page. Here, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your Smartsheet account. It's important that you use the exact email you registered with. Otherwise, Smartsheet won't be able to recognize your account to initiate the reset. Once you've typed in your email address, double-check it for any typos to ensure the reset process goes smoothly. After submitting your email address, it's time to check your inbox. Smartsheet will send a password reset link to the email you've provided. Now remember that emails sometimes end up in the spam or junk folder, so if you don't see it in the main inbox within a few minutes, it's worth checking those other folders too. Once you've located the email, open it and click on the reset link provided. This link is your key to creating a new password. Clicking the link will redirect you back to Smartsheet, where you'll be prompted to set a new password. At this point, it's crucial to ensure your new password meets Smartsheet's security requirements. Typically, this means incorporating a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to create a strong password that's difficult for others to guess. As you enter your new password, consider using a password manager to securely save it and avoid forgetting it in the future. And there you have it, the simple steps to resetting your Smartsheet password. Whether you're accessing Smartsheet every day or just occasionally, having an updated and secure password will help protect your account from unauthorized access. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to Smartsheet support. Have a great day.